Hey, it's me, John Nuva, and I'm going to be trying the new Doritos Jacked Ranch Dipped Hot Wings. If you like blazin buffalo and ranch, you should like this. I'm going to be trying them right now. I'm going to be eating some of them, and I'm going to tell you what I think of them. Yeah. So, what up in this bag. And I'm going to be eating some. It's kind of chilly out here, but I'm going to deal with that. Sorry for the change of background, it's just I'm not allowed to eat in my room, and I don't want to do it in the living room, it's too noisy. So I'm going to do it out here. Looks exactly like a blazin buffalo and ranch chip, right? Hold up. It smells like a blazin buffalo and ranch chip. Pretty good. It's like blazin buffalo and ranch, but better. Sorry, but I love these. 2 thumbs up. You know what power level I give these? It's over 9,000! Okay. I'll eat another one just for fun. Well, that's my video. I'm John Nuva, and this was a Doritos taste test. Peace.